Hey everybody, Justin here with a quick Doomer update. I'm outside in a t-shirt right now on December 11th because it's currently 64 degrees Fahrenheit going up to 67, which is like totally normal for this time of year. I'm going to talk briefly about the quad state tornado that happened last night. Now, the original tri-state tornado hit in March 18th of 1925, which was like 95 years ago, and spanned 219 miles straight through Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. Now, the tornado that hit last night is still yet to be confirmed by weather services, but the damage path was allegedly 223 miles long, going through Arkansas, Missouri, Tennessee, and ending in Kentucky, which is absolutely crazy if that actually comes to be the record, because it's not really part of the tornado season anymore. This tornado, this storm spawned a number of tornadoes this system, and a few of them struck different states. One of them leveled an Amazon warehouse in Illinois where there were said to be fatalities, and I'm not sure if it was the major tornado or not, but there was a candle factory leveled in Kentucky as well, that there were also major fatalities. Been looking at imagery from different parts of Kentucky of houses and businesses destroyed, and it brings me back to September of this year, where we had a tornado outbreak here in South Jersey. 7 tornadoes hit from the remnants of Hurricane Ida, I believe it was. So this is just yet another day in the world of abrupt, irreversible climate change. And again, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, check it out. The wind we're getting right now is the same exact system that spawned this major tornado, and it's supposed to hit here in 6 hours. So I'll record anything crazy if it happens. So check this out, share it to your Doomer friends if you liked it. Have a great day.